окей?
Окей.
Окей. Значит, что вот это название? Читай.
The cat in the...
Дальше читай.
The sun did not shine, but two was left, so sad enough, or the cold, cold was there. Sad was sad, sad was do, and he said, how do we tell you do? So when you go up, go to play ball, so sad enough, or the cold, cold was
Nothing at all.
all.
So all we could do was to
This, and you didn't
not like it.
just one little bit. Then something was bump. How the bump made us jump. We looked and we saw him cut on the mat. We looked and we saw him the cat in the hat.
And he said to us,
Why did you sit there like that?
I know it is wet.
I said, not Daddy. I do have something good that is
Fun is funny. I know some good games we could play, said the cat.
I know some good tricks, said cat and hat. And that's a good one. I told them to you. Your mama and Alma. It's all of us to you.
Don't rush. Then Sally and I,
You know what she said? Mama was the house for the day. But the first said,
no, make that
cat go
away.
So that
Cat in the hat, you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about.
I have a question.
He shall not be here when your mother is out. No, no.
Hello,
Fear. Have no fear, said the cat. My tricks are not bad.
Said the cat in the hat.
Why we can have...
Lots of funny stories. But again, I go up, pull
Me down, said the fish.
I went to the fall. Pull me down, said the fish, and went to the fall. Hello, fear.
Fear, said the cat. I will not tell lest you fall. I will hold you up high as I stand on the...
Ball.
with a book on one...
Hat and a cup on one hat. But that is
It's not all.
I just the cat.
cat. Oh, молодец, baby. Look at me now, said the cat.
Was a
Cup
cup and
and
a
cake
cake
on the top of my hat.
I have two books. I know the fish
Fish,
and little man
toy ship,
and
and some milk on the...
the
And look,
I can have on a book, but that is not all. Look at me now, said the cat. Of a cup on my...
and the milk and the cake. I can hold up this book.
A fish on a wave.
I can hold the toy ship.
And a little man. And look, I have the
My tail, I can hold a red...
fan.
I can fan with the fan.
If I have on a ball.
But that is not all. Not all at all.
Interesting.
That is what the cat said.
Then he put on his head.
He came down.
And with a bump. Up there on the ball. Then Sally and I also
All the things,
fall.
and our fish came down too.
He fell into a...
He said,
Well, I said, oh no, I do not.
this is not a good game.
If I said, as he let,
No, I don't like it.
there's one little bird.
Now look,
What you do?
Said the fish and the cat to the cat. Now look at this house.
Look at this. Look at that.
You sunk our toy ship. Sunk it deep in the...
Okay.
You shook up our...
How and you went on your way.
You should not be here when our mother is not. You got out of this...
How say it in the past?
But I like to be here,
How I like it at all.
said the cat in the hat.
In the past. I'll not go away.
I do not wish to go. And so, said the cat in the hat,
So.
I will show you.
No, you got to know.
Wow. And then he ran out.
Then cat in the past.
The cat in the hat back.
With a bat.
A big red wood box. It was shut. Now look at this trick.
Look at this. Look at that.
Then he got out on top with the tip of his hat and called this game
Friends in the box. He bought those two things. I sold them to you. Your mother not mine. That's all I had to.
I will pick up the hook.
You see something new.
Two things.
And he called them thing one and thing two.
These things will not bite you.
Just one will bite.
Then out of the box came,
Thing two and thing one.
and they ran to us.
How did you do?
Would you like to shake hands?
With thing one and thing two.
And Sally and I did not know what to do. So we had to hand with,
Thing one and thing two.
we shook the two hands, but our fish said,
No.
those things should not be.
No, make them go.
They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out.
Yeah, look at this.
Put them out, said the fish.
In the box.
Now interesting part coming. Have no fear, little fish, said the cat in the hat. These things are good things. And he gave them. They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you
Some friends. What day?
Now, here is the game they like play, said the cat.
The leg to fly kite
Said the cat.
in the house.
No, in the house, said the fish in the pot. They should not fly kites in the house. They should not. Oh, the thing they will bump. Oh, the thing they will hit. Oh, I don't like it.
One little bit.
Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall.
I saw the two things bump the kite on the wall. Bump.
Thump!
Thump. Down the hole in the wall.
Thing two and thing one. They run up. They run down. On the string of the kite, I saw mother's new, her gown with the dots.
Pink was and red. We saw one kite bump the head of a bed.
Then those things run about with a bump.
And them that were big bumps and four guns about us. And said, I do not like
The way that they play. If mother could see this,
oh, if we
say. Then our fish said, look. And our fish shook with fear. Your mother is on her way home. Do you hear?
Yeah.
What will she say? Oh, she will not like it.
Fine.
This
It's wet.